Show. Hey guys, it's me from Show, and today we're at Rockefeller State Park, and there's poo. There's a bunch of horses, and it looks like woods, like a woods place, but there's like a long trail, and there's horses here, and they just left a big poo there. Ew. Here we are at the water, and the sun is breaking my eyeballs, sadly, and don't mind my mask, it's a little babyish. Okay, we're gonna go back up now. Green head and, oh look! They don't know. What's that over there? Uh-oh. Can you see it? Empty. Done. Can you even see it? Wait the time. An over tree over there. And there's a hole. And there's a long pathway. I wish I could teleport to the end. I go home now. Sorry if this video is a little short. I hope you like and subscribe. Okay.